is the OPPI Salesforce Excellence Award. Let me introduce you to the jury panel for this award. We have Amit Mukim, Managing Director, IQVIA South Asia, Ashutosh Ojha, Faculty, Pharma Management at Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Ariz Rizvi, Senior Vice President and Head Health Risk Management, Aon India Insurance Brokers Private Limited, formerly Anviti Insurance Brokers Private Limited. Monica Gangwani, Executive Director and Service Line Leader, Healthcare Ipsos. Pawan Garg, Senior Vice President and National Sales Head, EH&B Marsh India. Thank you so much to the entire jury panel for this award. Yes, thank you for your contribution, and we would now like to welcome our executive committee member to do the honors for OPPI Salesforce Excellence Award. I would like to invite Mr. Sudhendra Kulkarni, Chief Executive Officer, Ferring Pharmaceuticals India Private Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Over to you. Sir, request you to unmute yourself, please.
Okay. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I think this is a great honor to all of us to recognize our colleagues across the industry. The OPPI Salesforce Excellence Award recognizes outstanding work in the field of Salesforce excellence, commercial effectiveness, smart use of data to generate actionable insights, clear evidence of tangible positive impact, analysis on the paradigm shift that the organization's mindset while still remaining customer centric. The overview of the Salesforce excellence function also involves innovation, alignment across the functions, namely sales, marketing, training departments, in order to conceive and implement the best Salesforce practices. This also includes the resource allocation, tools to be deployed, challenges to be faced in the marketplace, and also the resistance faced by the Salesforce function. All of this would not have come to the forefront in the last 1 year that we all have seen so much of turbulence because of the pandemic. I think Salesforce excellence departments across all the companies have played enormous amount of role in helping us succeed despite all challenges. So ladies and gentlemen, it's my great privilege to announce this year's winner for OPPI Salesforce Excellence Award 2021. And the award goes to Boehringer Ingelheim India Private Limited. So congratulations to the entire team of Boehringer Ingelheim. Great work, Vani and team. All the best and best wishes for this award winning. Thank you.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate the winners. It is once again Boehringer Ingelheim. I'd like to first give a glimpse of the winner's certificate and then call in the winning team. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, welcome the winning team on screen. We have Vani Manja, Managing Director, Boehringer Ingelheim India Private Limited, Pradeep Balijapali, Director, GTM and Digital Transformation, Ashish Saxena, Head Business Excellence, Sandeep Ravani, Head Training, Aditya Banerjee, Head Digital Excellence. A very warm welcome and big congratulations to the whole team. Request you to please hold your trophy right there. I could see it now. Yes, thank you, sir. And give those big, broad, winning smiles. We are capturing these moments right away. And I'd like to ask Mr. Pradeep Balijapali to please give the winning speech.
Absolutely delighted to win this prestigious award. At the outset, thank you, OPPI, and thank you, STM jury panel, for this great recognition and encouragement. I think in 2021, as a nation, we went through unprecedented times. And pharma as an industry, we responded to those times, and especially around our hybrid customer engagement and in serving the nation with renewed rigor. We are glad to be recognized for our hybrid engagement, for our customer-centric and patient-centric transformation journey that we've been on several years. Many people to thank for this award. First up, our CEO, Vani, who has for believing in us and for encouraging us all through our global go-to-market communities and our local teams. We also share this recognition with the entire commercial teams of Boehringer Ingelheim, especially the sales, marketing, medical, and the go-to-market and digital transformation teams. Congratulations to all the other winners. Enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you once again. Big congratulations to the whole team.